Welcome to a world of maritime safety and communication. Today, we will explore the functionalities, advantages, and pivotal role of AIS technology in enhancing maritime safety and communication. AIS technology, or Automatic Identification System, is a revolutionary tool that enables vessels to communicate and exchange vital information in real time. By utilizing AIS technology, maritime professionals can track vessels, monitor their movements, and ensure collision avoidance. In case of emergencies, AIS technology plays a crucial role in search and rescue operations, providing accurate location information to aid in timely response. Effective communication is vital in maritime operations. AIS technology ensures seamless communication between ships, ports, and coastal authorities. With AIS technology, vessels can exchange important information such as vessel type, size, and cargo, enabling better decision-making and resource allocation. AIS technology operates on VHF radio frequencies, allowing ships to communicate over long distances and ensuring effective communication even in remote areas. Maritime safety is of utmost importance. AIS technology enhances safety by providing real-time information about nearby vessels, potential hazards, and navigational aids. AIS technology is not only beneficial for large ships but also for smaller vessels, ensuring their safety and enabling efficient communication with other maritime entities. The integration of AIS technology with other maritime systems and technologies further enhances safety and efficiency in the maritime industry. AIS technology has revolutionized maritime safety and communication, making the seas a safer place for all vessels and ensuring efficient operations. Join us in embracing AIS technology and its immense potential in enhancing maritime safety and communication.